Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone overheating issue on iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 and iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max series. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, if you're using iPhone 14 Pro 14 series, so first of all turn off always on display feature, and then after this the next solution is the remove the lock screen and home screen widgets on your iPhone. So guys, if you are using widgets on your iPhone, so simply remove the all widgets from your iPhone. So after this the next solution is so guys, after this the next solution is turn on low power mode. So for the low power mode, go to control center and simply turn on low power mode here, and then after this the next solution is enable auto brightness feature. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size. So simply turn on auto brightness here, and then after this the next solution is disable background app refresh. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on background, sorry, tap on background app refresh. So simply tap to turn this off, and then after this the next solution is disable location services on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, tap to turn off location services, and then after this the next solution is turn off raise to wake up option. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on display and brightness, scroll down. So here is the raise to wake, tap to turn this off. So guys, after this the next solution is avoid using an iPhone while charging. So guys, if you are charging your iPhone, so don't use the iPhone. So after this the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, I have the latest version on my phone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.